Hey visionaries, how's it going? My name is Nunez, and today we're going to be talking about a photo challenge or photo project we can actually do at home. Now, if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and poke that bell so you don't miss anything. Today's project is going to be a photo project on product photography or still life, depending on what you want to look at it. And I know everybody or a lot of the world is actually being quarantined or just staying home for their own safety, and I hope everyone is careful. I hope you guys are doing fine, but I also hope you guys are being productive with your time. I myself, I want to challenge myself creatively over the next few days or weeks even, and for that we're going to be looking at different challenges. If you want to join me, you could just tag me in the picture at neil.nunez on Instagram, or you could put a link down below in the comments of every video I make for every challenge. Now, our first challenge is going to be a product photography challenge. I had recently made a video or previously made a video on product photography, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, or you can refer to the video itself, as well as if you have any hints, please put them down below and I'll look at them as well. Three things you need to do. You need to find the product or something that you want to take a picture of. Second thing, make sure you plan it out so you don't just go shooting randomly. And third thing is edit, take the picture as well as post it, and have fun with it. My product is going to be the Yeezys 350, the Desert Sage that recently came out. I'll show you guys what it is. It's a pair of sneakers. It's going to be a challenge to me because I've never taken a picture of a shoe before or of sneakers. In product photography, I've obviously taken them when I take selfies, etc. But I've never done a specific dedicated shoe for a shoe. Now, these shoes do have something that's a little difficult. It's going to be this stripe over here. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it is 3M, so it does reflect. It's going to be really hard for me to capture this in an image while still having enough light on the rest of the shoe. It's easy to take a picture of this shoe, in my opinion, in shadows, and then just put the flash or the light straight on this stripe without having any on the rest, and you'll see how bright it shines. But it'll be a challenge having everything in focus, everything bright and lit up, while still emphasizing on the stripe. We'll see what happens though. Now, I did say the second thing you need to do is plan it. So what I'm doing to plan this, I plan on using a blue background, a blue paper background for this shoe, because it'll have some contrast between the orange that the shoe has and between the green or the sage that the shoe is. In addition to this, I'm going to be using 3 different lights, and I'll be turning them on and off from time to time to see what every light does to the shoe or to the picture itself. I'm going to have a light for the background or for the hair light of the shoe. I'm going to have a fill light as well as a main key light for the shoe. And if you have any questions about that, make sure you just refer to the previous video, or you can ask me down below. This is not a tutorial, this is just an explanation of what the first challenge is. So after I'm done taking pictures, I like to export or import everything into Lightroom. The first thing I like to do is look at every image that I took for a specific shoot. After that, I go one by one, really quick to be honest with you, and I give it a rating from 1 to 2 or 3 based on the ones that I like, I somewhat like, and I don't like at all. After that, I give a rating up to 5 to basically every image that I think I'm going to keep. In addition to this, I like to have an image that has a white card on it or a white balance card on it, so that I could actually have something to white balance the images with. This is the image I took. Basically, I click on the little dropper, click on the white card, and everything should be white balanced. This is how I already did this, but this is how it looks before and after. In addition to the white balance, I like to change the lens corrections, the profile corrections, because sometimes the image is distorted. After that is done, I do minor changes to the exposure, contrast, whites, as well as clarity. At the moment, I am not going to do it. This image is going to go back down to 3 because it's not a keeper. It's just there for the white card. And then I'm going to just basically look at every image I took that I'm keeping at 5. I'm going to make sure that the crop is correct. For Instagram, I like to do a 4x5, which is this right here. And after that is done, I just export the images into a specific file for Instagram or for YouTube or for whatever project I'm working on at the moment. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to break that subscribe button and poke that bell so you don't miss anything. Our next video, our next challenge is actually going to be, hint, hint, it's going to be about pets or animals that you may have at home. So After you're done with this first challenge, which is a product photography shoot at home, you can start working on the second one if you want, and you could tag me on it at neo.nunez, or you could just put a link down below in the comments. Or you could wait for the next video, because I'm going to have a video for the next challenge explaining it as well as showing what I came up with. Thanks for watching. Deuces.